Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile in the Likee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the edit button at the top of the page. As you can see, you can add several avatars or photos to your profile. You can enter some information about yourself, like your age or your hobbies in your bio. You can modify your age, you can enter your hometown if you want people to find you easier or to make friends. And also you can add your Instagram and your YouTube profiles, and you can further your profile with some education information or giving where you are working. So that you can make friends easier through this platform. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.